10 Investors' Strategies for Gold After Fed Rate Cuts. The recent Federal Reserve rate cuts have prompted a resurgence of interest in gold as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. With gold prices hovering around $2,650 per ounce, investors are increasingly seeking strategic approaches to leverage this precious metal's potential. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 strategies to consider for investing in gold after the cuts. 1. Gold ETFs. Invest in gold exchange-traded funds to gain exposure without holding physical gold. This reduces storage and insurance costs. 2. Physical gold. Buying gold bars or coins offers tangible assets that protect against economic volatility. Ensure you're purchasing from reputable dealers. 3. Gold mining stocks. Investing in gold mining companies can offer returns tied to gold prices. Research production costs and company performance. 4. Royalty companies. These firms fund mining operations in exchange for future revenue, offering more stable returns compared to direct gold investments. 5. Dollar cost averaging. Regularly invest a fixed amount in gold to reduce the impact of market fluctuations. 6. Gold IRAs. A gold individual retirement account allows tax-advantaged investments in physical gold for long-term goals. 7. Watch economic indicators. Stay informed on inflation, geopolitical tensions, and currency trends to make better gold investment decisions. 8. Inflation hedge. Gold has historically helped protect against inflation, making it a valuable portfolio addition during rising inflation. 9. Gold mutual funds. Get diversified exposure through professionally managed funds that invest in gold-related assets. 10. Consult financial advisors. Professional guidance can help align your gold investments with your financial goals. By exploring these strategies, investors can navigate the gold market and potentially benefit from its value. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.